members of the council went to court challenging the establishment of Ogur as a district headquarters. However, due to a lot of engagement and following up with our lawyer, we were able to get a remedy out of this problem. Court dismissed this case, and therefore we are now free to go to Ogur and establish a district headquarters in Ogur. I made an initiative and wrote to the minister informing him of the changes that has taken place, the development that has taken place in the district, that will enable us to move to Ogur without any challenge now. We also had meetings with parliamentary committees to assist us in following up this issue. As I talk now, we have already made a draft plan for district headquarters, which is with me here. The draft, something will look like this. We intend to build a 2-story houses, which is looking something like this. But this is a draft. We're still working on it. And we have put it at a budget of 10 billion. And we presented to government. However, as we talk now, my intention of this briefing is to inform the people of Lira that the government whom we serve has honored their pledge of giving us 1 billion shillings. 1 billion shillings for the initial start, the construction of the district headquarters.